So it's a stream.
Hello everybody, it's stream again.
Oh, probably should get in game and send out the announcements.
How come?
Oh wait, were you desynced?
No, I don't know. It seems like it.
Yeah, did you use the one I just sent you? The build?
Yes.
What's up, Vadim? I'll throw you in if you wanna join.
Let's try that again.
Yes.
Okay, I gotta go.
Okay. Well, it's been fun.
Well, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Keep the stream going for me.
All right. Hey, Vadim.
Yeah,
How's it going?
it's going okay.
Do I pronounce your name correctly?
Yeah, pretty much.
Good enough. You wanna show off some new features with me while Walter's
Sure.
gone? Here you go. Here's the bill. Although Walter it was desynced. Not sure why that could be. Let's see if the same happens for you. Maybe he just downloaded the wrong version. Sup Lucas, sup Luz. Ooh. So what are you up to today with them?
Today I'm making a kind of thing for GameMaker that, there is JSON format.
Use format?
JSON.
Oh, JSON. Oh, okay. Are those kind of like mod? Or no?
You can use it for lots of things because it's basically like representing arrays inside arrays, or what would be DS maps in GameMaker.
Oh, okay. Is it more optimized with JSON?
It's just a very common format because it's like 100 something lines to implement a reader in any language, or like more or less any language.
Okay.
But there is this thing, this GameMaker's implementation, where you cannot actually tell apart what did you just read. Like if it's a map or if it's a list, both of them are still like indexes in GameMaker, so you cannot tell them apart.
Ah, that's kind of cool.
It's slightly inconvenient because, like, if say you have it come back from a website and someone just changed the format on the website, your game might just crash because of that. Because it will be a wrong variable type. However, with this extension that I wrote, you can actually tell them, yep.
Oh no!
Did you do anything particular?
That's weird. Okay, so we have a desync issue right now. What could that be because of? Could it have something to do with the talk graphic?
Did you make it use? Also, actually, it shouldn't have anything to do with it because it should be like synchronous and stuff. I mean, because it's like an actual button that is transmitted.
Okay. How would I debug this?
1 moment, let me check.
I guess if I can just start it in debug mode, I guess. But it's weird because it's as soon as it starts, it gets
Yeah, it would mean that something is unusual. Like, I mean, I guess it's in the same frame.
Yeah. Because I don't think we've tested since after the PSN stuff. Will it be related to that in some way?
It shouldn't be because that game is not broken. Like it's working
Yeah.
alright. Actually, I think it almost passed certification if it wouldn't be for what is like related to actual PlayStation not working. That seems weird.
Yeah, that's really weird. I go through what we worked on, but I don't see the only like actual input is the chat bubble.
I'm back.
Oh, welcome
Okay.
back.
Hello. Hello, Vadim.
Oh,
Did you get some good mussels?
I got some good salad.
Yeah, okay. It's good enough.
Yeah.
We're trying.
I am like
Yeah.
very sure that you did not like misplace the build before uploading.
Like if it's an old build.
Yeah.
It's weird because I'm using the exact same one I'm sending to you guys.
Oh, okay. Then there shouldn't be a problem.
So I'm not playing from Game Maker.
So it didn't work for you and Vadim?
No,
Yeah.
we get desynced as soon as it starts.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, trying to figure out what could have caused that. Doesn't make much sense.
Oh, and about particle stuff, may as well actually make it so that the game would, so that you would use specific random scripts instead of usual ones. Because
Oh.
that also, because then would be able to just let particles do whatever they want, because like the built-in random number generator would not be used for anything important at all.
Oh, okay. So if we were to try that cut grass command again, we wouldn't get a desync?
Yeah, because like particles, like yes, they would look different on each player's computer, but they would not be like they would not have any effect on the actual game.
Yeah,
So
it doesn't
that's
really
what
matter. Okay, that's super cool. We should
Yeah.
try that out, but first we need to
Get it working.
at all. Yeah.
I'm going to try these two game windows locally now and just see if like just map very different entirely or something smaller broken.
Yeah. It's weird. I have no idea how to debug this kind of thing either, since it starts like it happens as soon as it starts too.
Yeah, that's weird.
What's up, Owen?
Almost like it's some kind of random script that isn't
Like
run.
the world is generated. You mean?
No, because the world is. I don't know.
Yes.
Ja, det har du.
The world is generated before it crashes, right?
Yeah, but if the worlds are
It
different.
wouldn't really know because it's like the first frame.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Weird. Well, I can show what we worked on in local, anyways.
Yeah, we can fix this later.
Okay, I tried locally. It did not desync instantly, but it desynced very soon.
You mean like you have two windows open?
Yeah. Oh, actually, I wrote some documentation on how to set it up.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Never want to do that to yourself.
Do we have sound sources? That's what they want to hear.
I see testing games is still not working.
Oh, okay. Engels is busy.
Okay.
Lucifer
let's see.
likes the background you have today, Walter.
Yeah, it's Penny's background. It's not mine, but it's nice.
It's nice. Rosy garden.
A rosy garden. Who doesn't like a rosy garden?
I think there's some people.
Yeah, not true. Okay, let's see. I've had some weird issues with source tree. It isn't really an issue. It's just that I get a pop-up that says error every time I pull, I think.
Yeah,
Let's say which error.
it says
Like it usually
that
says,
it's already trying to do it from another.
Yeah.
oh, you might need to open like that Windows 3 menu, and there is, I think it's called Party or something like that. And it has, I think the icon is a small person in a hat, and you shut that process down, and it stops doing whatever it is doing.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
I get that
the-
issue too. It's since they updated Source Tree that I've gotten it.
Yeah.
I'm actually using Tortoise Git now, which isn't as fancy as Source Tree, but
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've tried that too a long time ago.
yeah, it just looks like.
This is weird. This is Crypt, but without any of the mods around it. I've never seen that before.
Any of the mods around it?
Yeah, no, like there's only crypts and mods, and it looks like it spawned on its own. Yeah, so some things we worked on. I've done a new pass on the enter text, so it's using whatever color the player has, and it's got a bit more fun animation and look. Then yeah, so
I had the ugly.
Jag ska bara ringa.
And then we got the grass grunts, the flowers, they bounce now before they spawn. So you can see kind of before they start popping up. And the weapon animation is animated more than before. Before it was kind of popping around. It looks much better now. Yeah, and then typing chat box.
Don't we have the grass turrets as well? The ones I worked on.
Yeah, here we go. Here's one. But yeah, so now when you talk, you have a little speech bubble over your character.
Flower turrets, and the graphics are not final for those. I made super quick graphic.
Yeah. Right now.
The turret is the one that looks like a vibrating tree.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's supposed to.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see that.
It's supposed to shoot like.
That looks pretty cool, actually.
I think it's gonna be pretty cool once we got everything in. But it's gonna send like a line of vines towards the player, and when it reaches the player, it's gonna explode in a gas, like a gas explosion. And if you stand in that gas, you're gonna get damaged over time.
Yeah.
But right now they just look super creepy. Yeah, what else?
I think that's pretty much it.
I've been working on learning the level gen.
Oh yeah. You changed the crypt test. Right?
Yeah, so the crypt is a work in progress. I'm gonna keep working on it today, but now it's more of a room to room design, where it's a room and it's got a corridor and then it's another room.
Oh, instead of just a pile of corridors with some rooms.
Yeah, exactly. And before it was a bit more chaotic.
Yeah, well, I mean, I guess there are different kinds of creeps, but you don't want to get lost
For
in
sure.
one by design.
Yeah, we want them to not only be redesigns.
Yeah.
But
I guess the previous kind of generator was more like catacombs than pit.
yeah, well, I mean, it was pretty much the same. It was just that they kind of generated over each other.
Yeah.
And then it just got big rooms. Yeah. But yeah, so I've started working on that code as well as trying to learn how everything works. So now it's a room, and then it spawns a corridor that looks like a skeleton spine. Walter designed that for the original one. It's much more fun because you can hide, so it's not just shooting down a corridor.
Yeah.
Nucleatron has or had a bug for a very long time, where I think it's because just something breaks in GameMaker random generator. It could give you a level that is just one long ass corridor.
It could be fun though.
It's kind of fun, but not, if you have like just melee weapons and something like slugger, and then you just get shot repeatedly from afar.
Yeah.
That's true. But yeah, so I'm right now it spawns one main corridor that just goes around like this. Yeah, this is a good example. So it spawns a main corridor that just goes. It spawns a room and then it goes in one random direction, and when it spawns another room it changes direction, and then it keeps going like that. And then I'm gonna have like, right now there's a long spine on the right here which you can't access. So that's my first part of making it so you don't have to backtrack.
Okay.
What is with that wild spine?
Yeah, so I'm gonna have one of these spawn from every corner, and then as soon as it touches like a floor tile, it's gonna stop spawning, which means that you don't have to backtrack the same way you came. So it's a circular design instead.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Because now if you look at how it looks right now, you would have to go to the end of this dungeon, and then you would have to go the entire way back again.
Yeah. Like, I guess some of the games just have a separate exit.
Yeah. And then we also have the idea of being able to teleport in the minimap whenever as well.
Yeah.
But I think it's a good approach anyways to do circular design.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try to do that.
Some players
might not see the feature,
Yeah.
But yeah. Sup, Eric?
Sup.
Can people donate to the stream, or do we save our shekels for the Kickstarter? No, we don't have any. What is it called?
Subscribe button.
But it's called something on Twitch, right? Like...
Yeah, subscribe button.
Okay. No, we don't. Oh yeah, could you send out a tweet?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Varsågod. Okay, let's see. I gotta sell this stream.
Don't sell it too hard.
Streaming some game development. Let's make that 2 words.
I think I'm gonna
come win a Switch. Be the lucky random viewer that wins a Switch and Zelda Breath of the Wild.
Oh yeah. Which
Oh, I
ones
want that.
are we gonna sell though? Mine or yours?
Yours.
Okay.
Sell.
Well, sell in the tweet.
Yeah. Used by the nice man Axel.
Sold.
Okay, live streaming some game development. I think that sells it.
Yep, I think so too. So right now it spawns, it just has a small chance of spawning a room, but I think I'm gonna make it so it's a length based instead.
I do want to remind you guys of the card giveaway, the $1,000 giveaway.
What's that?
That does end.
Penny, turn on the TV.
Mm-hmm.
Can you still hear the TV, or is it okay?
Maybe if you turn on, maybe if you turn on your threshold on Discord.
Grejen på micken.
Yeah.
Is this good?
And no
Vänta,
difference.
jag kom på. Jag kan ha hörlurar.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna use the right hashtags as well.
Cool.
Let's see. There we go.
Nice. I'm gonna retweet. I'm gonna retweet you.
Please do.
So what are you looking at tonight?
Doing the bullets from the turrets.
What's up, Nicole?
Welcome, Nicole.
Well, it's still the same. Still making video games. You haven't missed much.
Yeah, it's not done yet though.
Yeah. Give us a second.
If you check back in
15
tomorrow
minutes, maybe?
at 12, I think we're gonna be done.
Yeah, that should be enough. Right?
Yeah.
I'm missing. Oh, yep. Oh boy,
Oh boy.
that was a crunchy crunch.
Yeah, crunchy, delicious, you know?
I don't know, I'm feeling pretty disgusted.
Are you disgusted by crunching as well?
Any munching.
Oh wow. Crunching is... that sells chips. Haven't you watched TV and seen chips tutorials? I mean...
Oh yeah, I forgot the chips tutorial.
how to eat them.
Oh, now I get it.
Crunch them?
Okay, so now it creates a room, and
You
then
know that...
yeah.
You know that I had So I had the crypt do a corridor going like a square that liksom I'm too tired. Liksom that surrounds itself. So it starts and then it ends at the what you're trying to do right now.
But you didn't have any checks for when it should stop. So even though it wrapped into itself, it just kept going, which created like a very messy look.
No.
Okay.
I think the messy look you mean is creating spine corridors towards the middle, and I had too many spine corridors maybe.
Yeah, I mean, I tried it with just one spine corridor. Anyways, I really just want to learn it as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, we need some longer corridors. Right now it's just room to room, even though it's looks kind of interesting. They are too close right now. Yeah, way too close.
Okay, I'm gonna create temp graphic for the bullet as well. It's not gonna be a bullet though. It's gonna be a bunch of vines growing.
Instances, kind of, right?
What?
Is it gonna be an instance? Like every vine?
Yeah.
So when one vine disappears, it creates the next one in front of it? Or maybe it shouldn't wait until it disappears. Oh yeah, now this is looking pretty rad.
Cool. So what I want to do is
What I want to do. Yeah.
I want to have I'm slow today.
Well, it is Wednesday.
It is Wednesday, and you're supposed to just
Lie around on Wednesdays.
Stop and lie around on Wednesdays. No, but I think what I want to do is have one projectile that is invisible going towards its goal and creating vine.
Like creating sub instances behind it.
Yeah,
that makes more sense.
And
but it's still not gonna actually move, right? Or is it?
No,
I guess the main instance is invisible, maybe. Yeah, that makes more sense.
For sure.
Yeah, this looks much more interesting. Cool. Oh! It did it!
It did it?
The circular design.
Oh.
How did it know?
That's what you want. Just hit Control S now.
Yeah. Yes, this design.
Thank you.
Cool.
But if someone designed
Life.
A game that isn't randomly generated, but he randomly generates each level because he's lazy.
And then just saves it.
Yeah,
This is a
and
good
that's a nice level.
This is so okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nicole. I'm pretty happy with the chat bubble. It's so much fun to like if I spawn flower here. Oh, right.
Did it crash?
No, but it was removed
Why?
because there can't be flowers in the crypt.
They can't. They can't.
They can't. They aren't
It's
allowed.
not allowed.
No, no, no. Oh yeah. The flowers are gonna have a hard time in the crypto. They have a hard time with tight.
With corridors.
Yeah. Oh, it made it. There
That's
we go.
pretty stupid.
Wasn't so
Maybe
hard.
I should make it not hit when it's too far away.
I think that would make them reach you. Because I mean it's fun when they do it far away, but
Yeah.
it just looks silly when they hit the wall like a couple of times
Yeah, that's
and
true.
you just stand and watch them.
But that's enemies in games for you. They're silly when you watch them. When you take a close look, you realize that they're pretty stupid.
Well, maybe your enemies, but not mine. Maybe every other could be a blind shot.
A blind shot?
Yeah, like it tries to hit you from far away.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
And then it has to run up to you. Can we have a game with just a chat bubble?
Yeah, you're some sort of negotiator on a plane with terrorists, and you go. "Please
Dot
let
dot
me go.
dot.
Let me go. Dot dot dot.
Say something.
Please
I've,
type.
I can see that I've forgotten a trace. I'm gonna remove this trace. I really like the trace, by the way, Vadim. It's really good.
Really like what?
The trace one instead of show debug message.
Oh,
It's
Yeah.
just so much faster.
Don't you like writing show debug message?
Well, now that you say it,
It is kind of funny.
it's pretty funny. Hey Vadim, could you remove that? Not just stop using it.
Yeah. Oh, enemies. Oh, enemies. Flower turret.
Okay. Alright.
I'm gonna make a sick ass temp graphic here.
Hot.
It's gonna be 32 by 32 because that's my favorite size.
Let's see what how Walter does his little thingy is.
Look at this.
I'm looking.
I heard 3
I'm not-
little things.
3 little
I'm gonna-
things.
It's gonna be so ugly though.
Mmm.
Mm,
I like it.
it's growing.
Just like my heart.
Have you watched the new season of Orange is the New Black?
Yes. It's good.
I haven't watched
Oh.
them all, but I'm watching.
You should really watch Glow. It's
Okay.
it's by the same people that made the Orange. I binged it in a day.
That's sick.
Do you think so?
That's
Because I really did my best.
So how we can make the vines poof when they disappear, right? Just have some particle effect or something.
No.
No, that's not possible at all. Don't want to.
No, but we already have a bunch of grass ones.
Yeah.
And dirt is probably
One
a good
more
one
is gonna
to
be
have.
too much, okay?
One day. But I'm not adding new ones. I'm reusing.
Yeah.
Let's see. It starts at WW minus pad minus 1.
Wow.
And then it should end at 0.
I got a message on Messenger. Maybe it's something fun.
I don't think
No, I
so.
didn't get a message on Messenger. It was just something fun.
Like
Nice, huh?
whistling to my ears.
It is whistling, though.
Axel is a sick man, binging TV shows inside instead of enjoying nature. But I'm working. I'm working as I binge. And hello Yabba the fuck.
Yeah, what the fuck?
I had no idea what it was until I read it.
Oh yeah, that's how it goes.
But please write in English. This is
Yeah, keep it in English.
otherwise we'll keep you out of here. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, it didn't work.
Work. You remember that little tune by Rihanna?
Don't swear, dude.
Let's see.
Skiddy-dum-da-ba-bum. Also, I added a safety rim as well, so after the generation it just puts a safety rim around it.
Safety rim?
Yeah, it just adds walls back around the entirety of the level, so it can't be like ways out into the great beyond.
But when it's out in the great beyond, it's out of the entire
list.
The grid.
Yeah, but
so it's outside of the grid.
But it still creates like an entryway out.
Oh, you mean you? Oh, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I understand what you did.
You agree with them?
Yeah, smart going, man.
Not going, thank you. Somehow it's not doing its thing. Let's comment out the other thing.
So in about 20 days,
Stop
it's
watching
our
yourself, weirdo.
6 month. I'm watching our 6 month anniversary for the game.
Oh.
So we should have done
when?
1/4 of the development.
When?
In about 20 days or
20
15 days.
Oh, are we gonna
15
pop the champagne now?
No.
No, okay. Well, I'm just gonna put it back then.
Put it back. So we should be at we should have completed 1/4 of the game in 15 days.
1/4.
Have we?
Yeah.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Content is
problems.
easy. No, why does it not spawn anything? Why?
Why? Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Let's see. We have a lot. 0.
Maybe we need one more NFE
And if he,
NFE before we're 1/4.
yeah, maybe
Ooh, crash!
we have 15 days. We should be able to make that in 15 days, don't you think?
I don't want to.
Okay, then we failed. Okay.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay. Right.
What's up, Adam? I know that guy.
Is that the one? The cocky one?
Oh, no. Yeah! Yeah, he is! He keeps talking about his escapades.
Let's see. We want. Let's do grass 01, x, y, amount 5, and depth. Then there we go.
It's not making any sense.
I know. Oh. So we have object. I don't know what I'm gonna call the. I'm gonna call it vine.
Yeah, that's a good name for it.
I'm gonna have a little poof when it's gone as well. What's the poof? The poof. Is it smoke? Oh,
I mean, there's a
something.
lot of smokes.
Yeah, I want to. Yeah, that's true.
The one
Isn't
we're
it-
using for
Isn't it Dust 02?
could be. I always go into the revolver and see what I'm using there.
Okay. I think it's Dust. Let's try that. These vines are gonna disappear so elegantly. Is that a word even? Can you say elegantly?
Elegant.
Elegantly.
Okay, I got a forever loop. Forever.
Yeah.
It's,
do that.
it's too bad you can't just click finish and then keep going. It always crashes the program.
Yeah.
Just let me do some things. Just let me commit mistakes.
Let my mistakes be mistakes and be forgotten. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you can ignore errors. So
I guess it's not that bad that it throws you out of the program if something breaks. I mean, with Unity games, your game can be completely broken because, like, if there's an error, it throws an exception into the console. So, like, if it's in the compiled game, the player doesn't even see that there's an error.
oh
Yeah, I really
And,
like that.
And it doesn't execute any other code for that frame. So your game can get more and more broken. Like at first, the player will not notice, but then something will just be missing, and they will send you a screenshot, and you will be really confused. But it's actually not one error, but thousands of errors that build up.
oh.
Oh yeah. Well, that can be fun.
Could be a fun activity for the day. Fix all those errors. I mean, I think I prefer just being smacked with the errors right away.
Yeah, sure.
Trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this.
I can help you.
No, you can't. I'm better. I'm bigger, stronger than you.
I always forget.
Yeah, you do. Oh yeah, now I know how to do it, so didn't need your help anyways.
Glad I could be
At no service.
Glad I couldn't be of help.
I like this one.
Is this what Walter has been doing instead of doing the humor? Says Jabba the fuck. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
The only thing Axel has done so far is just body slam his keyboard and hoping for the best. No hate, love you, Axel. I have added a new main corridor generation, mister. I want
That
you to...
corridor is gonna be so populated when we release the game. It is
Yeah.
important. It's important work. Someone is gonna get inspired by that corridor.
It's gonna have loot. Wait, that's not a Pixar flask.
Pixel flask.
Pixar.
No. When I'm not at home.
You let the cat. So let's
Cat?
see how the
Pixar flask. There we go. I guess.
why? Why am I getting a forever loop? Stop giving me forever loops.
Axel's trying to learn. Ding!
Ding! Oh, I see. Oh yeah, I see. I understand now.
Something is really icy.
What? Is it your...
covered with ice?
Yeah, no, I understand what icy means, but I still don't really...
You said, "Oh, icy,
Oh,
icy." He said, "Oh, I see."
Maybe it was better before I understood.
That's
The
what
mystery
most
made it
people
good.
said. That's what my mama said when I.
When you were
No.
born.
Yeah.
It was better when I didn't have to look at it.
Now I understand.
Oh, this is it?
Oh.
Hmm.
Not as glorious as I once suspected.
This can't be the new Caesar.
Be the new baby. says the old baby.
You mean your big brother?
This can't be my replacement. This can't.
This is not gonna work.
Scrawny. Looks like a little raisin with little eyes.
Hey man, one day you'll find the correct size for that window.
I'm trying to figure out.
It's
I'm trying
important
to figure
to
out
read.
what to write in this. I'm trying to figure out the code. We need dir, I guess. No. I don't know. I'm so slow and just.
Don't sell yourself short. You're like the fastest one I know. Just run around in front of the camera. Show the guys.
I'm not gonna do it. What am I doing? X. Okay.
I'm compiling. Okay, now we can look at me. You can take a shield pill. Oh yeah, now it works. Look at this. Now it spawns a little corridor on the right side and it stops when it enters.
What?
And this time it spawned inside that little house or little room, so it didn't continue.
So it doesn't work.
What, mine?
It doesn't work.
No, it does work. I'm gonna punch you.
Okay, punch me then.
Yeah.
I'm ready for it. Ouchie.
You weren't ready for it.
Didn't feel it though. It's like, no, you know. Could take one more if I. For
Yeah.
No.
Okay, it works. Let's see both of them at the same time.
Both of what?
My fist! Hiya!
Oh. That's really not good.
Yeah, that's not. It should be nice.
You should try to be nice. Okay. Okay. I think I have it. I have it figured out now.
Configured out.
I have it figured out.
Configured out.
So shut the front door, Axel. I'm thinking.
Yeah. Oh yeah! Look at this. It's starting to be what I want. Oh, it did say enter the bone zone. There you go. Proof.
Proof?
Proof that I used the. What's that?
The bone zone. Bone zone.
Yeah. Adam grabbed my hand and said that he wouldn't let it go until I added that into the game. I was so
Enter the
scared.
bone zone. We're gonna get banned.
Oh, you think?
Gonna get banned from the Sura. That's our main goal, releasing it on the Sura.
The Sura? Yeah,
You remember the Sura?
I think so.
It's like it was like a Steam, but not Steam.
Oh, the Sura.
Yeah.
Did you work on
Oh.
the Sura with him?
No.
Okay, then we can talk shit about it.
I
We're safe.
mean, that bit where that company, I think called Bad Juju, bought the Sura, and they went bankrupt like several months later. Like, why would you buy a company if you don't have any money?
Yeah, that's true.
Mm,
The Sura still exists, though. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
but like I guess it's just up so that you can download games. But if you're a developer, you're not getting paid.
Oh yeah, look at this. It's super ugly.
oh, wow, look at that. Holy.
Click here to learn more.
Why is the button red if you want to learn more? It looks like an
Yeah.
error message.
You just want to buy some games, click here. Okay, I'm gonna click there. And then we got one play instead. Oh, it redirects us to one play.
Oh, hold on. It was bought out by some other company now. Well, I guess that's better.
Oh yeah. Give me 1 minute.
So yeah, now there's always a little corner here in this. That's nice. That's nice. Now I need to do it for all corners. Should be easy now.
That's a one play ball. What is one play though? Is it like Steam?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like Steam. It's not very. It's not very well translated. Look at this. It says erbjuda.
Erbjuda?
Save 97%. Can buy. I don't understand. Oh, okay. So you can buy it. Don't understand that shit.
That's okay.
We actually released Kid von Jam, the Sura. And I remember people buying it there and not getting
Oh yeah.
codes and such, I think.
Oh really?
I think we had
Is
some
it
sort of
still on
trouble.
there?
No, I don't think so. I mean, I think it would be on one play then, but I don't think. I think we would get notified.
Yeah, I guess so.
I'm gonna take a look. No, it's not on there. It's not on there.
Ay ay ay.
Ay. Okay, so now I think I know how I'm gonna do this. I had a little brain fart, and that brain fart is over, and
It was fun while it lasted.
yeah, had super great time. Super fun. Okay. Guess I'm gonna have some sort of.
Oh,
Huh? What the fuck do you want? Huh?
Jag skämtar med.
Jokes.
Let's see. I don't remember. Okay. What are you doing now, Axel?
I keep adding each corner now.
Okay.
So top right corner going down, or vertical as I call it in the script.
Wow.
In the code or the script, which one would you call it? Script or the code?
Script.
Yeah. Guess we aren't programmers, we're just scripters.
Yeah, we're scripters.
God damn it.
no, I mean, it's still programming.
Thank you.
I want to be a scripter. Maybe if you're writing scripts for movies, you can. Call
Oh
yourself
yeah,
a script-
then you could be a scripter.
Yeah.
There's still hope for you.
Scripting term is usually used when, say, like in older games, you would have the actual game code and then some simple scripting system that is used to connect stuff like in campaigns, so that if this happens, then this happens, which would be much simpler than the game code.
It
And
kind of
the
makes me
code
think
script.
of modding.
Yeah. Like, I guess if you've played Warcraft 3, its map editor is a very good example of that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, look at this!
Look at what the?
It's not really what I want, but got a nice round. Yeah.
Not round though.
No, I guess not.
Nice round shape.
You should see my bicycle.
That's anything but round.
Well, I mean, I guess it's pretty cool, but you couldn't walk through that in one.
You couldn't walk through it in one?
Like in that one that was a square and then with a T-like shape in the middle. So if you were to
Oh yeah, because
go-
it goes in the middle as well.
yeah.
Yeah, that's
So you
true.
would need to make a full circle and then go in the middle and then go back.
Oh no.
You have almost full circle, and that's good enough, I think.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna do every corner and then add some rooms so it's not just super boring straight.
Yeah,
But yeah, it's a really good exercise just to learn how everything works. Could you let me speak for 1 second?
No.
What's going on? You don't understand, Adam? What do you not understand, bud?
All out of water.
It's not a joke.
It is though. I'll be right back. I'm gonna fill up some water.
Yummy. Have fun.
Yummy.
So what are you up to with them? Still
well,
Jasoning?
About random stuff, I suppose that I would just get the scripts for random stuff in and then add login into the scripts. But this probably will be after stream because it will most certainly cause a conflict on merge.
Okay.
Because like you're adding some random calls right now, and I would be replacing those same calls by script calls.
Aha. Did you find out why it desynced?
No, I mean that I would need to replace the regular random calls with script calls that would have login in them anyway to figure out.
Oh, okay.
So might as well just do that with the scripts that would be used afterwards.
That makes sense.
Hello. Actually, do you think that sound is disgusting as well?
No. It's a really good sound. Do it again. Get another one. Y starts at the padding and it stops at the padding. It starts at the X and the X is the... Yes. Was it a thinker?
No, it was a stinker.
Disgusting.
I'm trying to figure out how to get out of here to get away from the smell.
Just looking around you. Potential exits.
This smells pretty bad. I love that it says that you're playing Space War all the time.
Yep. It's a good game.
Space War is my favorite Space War game.
It's one of them.
I have
best.
played Halo, and I can say that that is my favorite space war game. I have my own laugh track.
Sounds expensive.
Yes, it is. Length SPD dir equals dir. There we go.
Pretty. Be careful.
But yeah, I think it's good that you're taking your time and learning yourself, teaching yourself the way we
The way
make
the
the
grids. Yeah. I mean, it's
it's kind
It's-
of easy.
yeah, for
Right.
sure. It's just getting into like thinking of design in a grid-based way.
It's more or less just like pixels in images,
Yeah.
Yeah.
just that there are not colors but things.
Yeah. Let's see. I was thinking, Axel.
Uh-oh.
Maybe, yeah, it's not a good thing. When I think
Yeah, I know.
maybe you go away from this project and I take over.
I
Do
see.
you think?
Well,
Do you think it's good?
I'll
you
pack
think
my
it's a good idea?
bags. Let me pack my bags. Stop pushing me.
I thought you said I pat my bag.
But my bag.
No, but
Okay, nice.
okay, nice.
Okay, nice. Start unpacking.
I was thinking maybe having the turrets be able to penetrate walls with their...
Yeah, that would be interesting, I think.
Cool! Then I can skip collision.
Wait.
That was my idea. Okay.
It's not
Okay,
game
like-
design, it's just being
It's
lazy.
make yeah. Yes. Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh. But how does the vision work in that case? Or it works the same, it's just that it... Yeah, I mean it goes under the ground. But is that gonna cause an issue with like depth?
No, it's not gonna.
But
be
wouldn't it
visible.
be on top of the wall at one point?
Well, you could make it just under all the stuff, I suppose. I mean, because the players and enemies would walk over them.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
So, like, I guess that isn't actually a concern.
No, I don't think it's gonna be a problem. Yeah, no, it's not gonna be a problem.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna make it so they only create the vines if they're on floor grids as well. So they're not even gonna create vines if they're beneath the walls.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
You should try to get people watching to use the hosting feature on Twitch. It basically shows the stream on the host's own page. If the host has a large following, they all get notified of your stream. But
Please
then
host.
we have
Please
to
host.
network. Who has time for networking?
I'm gonna send a message to someone right now
Okay.
with thousands of followers. Please do it.
Show me. Can you stop showing you? Show me.
I'm gonna go to the most viewed game developer right now and gonna go, can you cancel your stream?
Can
and
you
host?"
turn this off? Stop it! God damn it!
She's watching something on YouTube.
I know, but it's still.
it's like
Oh, whoops. Oh, whoops.
it's the best diss.
Yeah.
Whoops, I skipped a day.
Whoops.
348.
A day.
Someone is streaming every day of his development.
Every gosh dang diggity day?
And he has a standing table.
What the heck?
I'm gonna write that right now. What the heck? What the heck?
Sit down. You'll tire yourself
Sit
out.
down. You're gonna have sore
Don't say butt.
legs. Little buttocks. Are you using your standing
No.
table right now?
I've been standing all day.
Well,
All day, baby. I can
You
stand
know-
up all day.
I have a tip for you.
Okay.
A little thing you can try out.
Mhm.
And that's listening to audiobooks while walking,
But
while taking a walk.
it's a pretty good tip.
I did that, and I thought it wouldn't.
She knows you didn't do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I did that, and I thought it wouldn't work. Like it wouldn't make the walks less boring. And my latest walk ended with me forgetting that I was out walking, and realizing when I like forgot that I was out on a walk for the final 30 minutes of the walk, and realized that I was walking when I got to my door.
That's
So
pretty
it's
good. Yeah.
it's a good tip,
Yeah. I don't.
because I hate walking. I hate taking walks. Now it's okay.
Yeah. It's acceptable.
Yeah.
Yeah. I usually listen to music when I'm walking to and from work.
Yeah, you should just change that to audiobooks.
Yeah.
You're
It's only 20 minutes though.
20 minutes is 20 minutes in a whole new world. In maybe
Audiobooks.
in audiobooks. You can listen to Aladdin.
A
Whole New
leather.
World. You can listen to the whole new world lyrics.
Oh, that's true. Sup, Pinko? How's it going? Go on.
No, but I'm listening to Gun Girl right now, and it's pretty good.
Pretty good or really,
It's
really
about-
good?
It's about a gun girl.
Why did you do that stupid noise?
I laughed at my super nice joke.
Stupid noise. I'm sorry.
Mama.
Hej!
Oh, wow.
Ja, är där boysa?
If you understand
That's loud.
Persian.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this the Are you dying?
Is she nodding?
Yeah. No, she's dying.
Okay, Google. Pause the Chromecast.
What?
We have Google. What? Google Home.
Don't say
Yes,
it.
but why in that spooky voice?
Yeah, that's true. Shows character, shows his boss.
Yeah.
Oh.
I guess I'm gonna destroy this.
Destroy it.
Instance destroy. This turret is gonna be so fun because it's gonna go and then go and then when it goes it's gonna shoot the vines and they're gonna go and then when it comes up to the player or when it just misses
Goes
the
out
player,
of range, yeah.
yeah, it's gonna spawn a little flower that goes then explodes like a little baby mimicking its mama.
It sounds almost like a Rhythm Heaven.
Yeah. It's gonna be so fun. I remember when on Kilfanya when we added we had grenades that were like almost like plasma grenades from Halo that stuck to the player, and but they were like tar grenades, and we added so that first we just added them, and they were kind of fun, but not as fun as we wanted them to be. And then we added a little face to the grenade, and then they went and then exploded every time. So you would get stuck. You would get stuck with them, and you knew that they're gonna go. That was fun.
Yeah,
But I think
it's still my
the-
favorite one.
Yeah, I think my favorite one is Bombus. It was a big rolling bomb.
Oh yeah. No, I prefer that one too.
Yeah,
It's so much fun.
It goes waka 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 waka, and then explodes.
It's a good one. Why isn't spawning the side ones?
Yeah, we should have fun weapons like that.
I like fun.
I like weapons. Let's do a war.
Let's do a war.
Do a war. Me and Panny played Modern Warfare 2 on PlayStation 3 today.
Alright,
Yeah.
why though?
I don't know. We looked at books in the airport, and they had what to do in Europe, what to do in North America, and such. Couldn't read the books though, just the covers.
Oh, you need to buy them. I get it.
There we go. I'm gonna call this Flower Baby.
Such a good name. Now we're talking. Now we are talking. Yeah, look
Now
at this.
we
Look
talk.
at this. Look at these designs.
They're nice.
Uh-oh.
Oh, oh, didn't have. Oh,
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Uh-oh. It didn't
didn't
close. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You should tell it that you gotta close every case.
Gotta close. Otherwise I'm gonna be this mad. I know why it didn't close.
The spine corridors are really nice, actually.
Yeah, it looks very skeleton-y.
Yeah. When you design a tomb, you gotta think about
What
the
does a
skeleton.
skeleton like?
Jag kan inte spela in med Karin.
Okay. Yeah, right now. Sure.
What aren't you sure about?
Life, I guess.
Life.
Life, I guess.
It's so weird.
Or this one. This is a good one.
I'm gonna make.
What are you gonna make like a tree and despair?
I'm gonna make a super ugly flower baby, and then it's up to you to make it into a moment later. Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry about the graphics. Just make it fun, and when it's fun, when we know it's a fun enemy, then we can start polishing it.
Yeah.
But
So
until we
don't-
know it's fun, let's not put down effort into the sprites.
That's a true. That's a true. You're my little boy.
Thank you. Why are you talking to the sprite?
Yeah.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
Very embarrassing.
Thank you. What?
It's like when someone is waving, and
Yeah.
they're waving to you.
Yes. Am I the little boy you're waving to?
Thank you. I'm a friend. I'm a friend.
Thanks for waving. Really kind.
Very kind of you. Wave. I wave back. Hey.
Oh.
Hello there. Why you look so weird? Why are you trying to wave me
Why
away?
are you vomiting?
Why are you very, very angry?
What? Don't wave! I saved that wave for someone I love. Okay, let's fix it.
I think that I have other wave friends.
It's actually called WAV. Stands for Windows. Yo.
Fine.
I don't know what it stands for. How embarrassing.
Yeah, that's pretty embarrassing.
Whoops. Ooh,
I don't understand people that prefers graphic Gale over Ace Sprite.
I've used both, but I haven't used them for a long time, so I can't really compare.
A problem Oh yeah.
Graphics Gale is free now, so I guess that's it for people
Okay.
that are trying new stuff. Like it was made free, I think, last month.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah,
that's
graphics
nice.
scale is free. I saw that. That's
That's
nice.
like actually really interesting because they were selling it for I think $10 or something for a really long time.
Yeah.
And people were buying it as well.
Yeah, like people were buying it because it's like even if it even so it didn't like look very fancy because I mean the user interface is more or less the same as it was 10 years ago.
Yeah.
But like you know it has pretty much everything,
Yeah, that's true.
so people would still buy it and stuff.
Yeah. What I like about Ace Sprite is that it's really easy to get a hold of the creator and give him tips on what to add.
I
Leave him
like
alone,
Ace
dude.
Sprite in general, but I don't like the fact that they made this pixel arty user interface.
Yeah, that's true.
And especially remade file dialogues like please don't.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Because like if you have a default system dialog, then you have those bookmarks and whatever else the user has on the left. But if you make your own dialog, then the user cannot use their bookmarks. They have to open a file manager every time and copy the like full path to the file.
Yes, that's true. That's very true. Yeah, I don't like that as well.
Like
I don't like that you can. I don't like that you can't set an FPS as well. You set milliseconds.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Per frame.
well,
And we're talking a sprite?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I like painting with a brush in real life.
Well, go and.
I was kidding, please.
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 Don't kill. Don't kill me.
Let's see. When you guys are done with the game, then you should livestream the Rising of Painting Tuesday here on Twitch. Oh, Painting Tuesday. Oh, we can't do that because there's not a day with a P.
Yeah.
Will be
Doodling.
why D?
Dienstag.
Dienstag. Okay, we have to do it in German.
Yeah.
Doodling Dienstag. Could be fun.
In German and English, apparently.
Yes.
Dienstag. I'm still kind of bummed that the new Game Maker, the Game Maker 2 isn't like. I wanted the interface like Parakeet 2. I don't like.
oh yeah, you mean just to have tabs for the code and stuff?
Yeah, that would make it so much better.
Yeah.
That was pretty much it. And,
Like you can set it in settings so that all code will open in a new tab, but you will still have to use the workspace to actually open the events. So like it kind of comes down to almost what it was with GameMaker 1, where if you want to just write code, you have to move everything to the scripts and just have events call those scripts.
Yeah. I really liked how they did it in Parakeet.
Well, I mean, the person that wrote most of the code for Parakeet is now an employee at Yo-Yo Games.
Oh, yeah. So maybe something's gonna.
Well, they were hired like before. Well, I guess, or somewhere when Game Maker Studio 2 was early in development.
Okay.
So I suppose that they had a hand at a lot of stuff, but like I guess Jürgens wanted that kind of interface.
Yeah. What are you laughing at?
Lucifer googled what is Rising. Googled Rising of Painting. Because he wrote Rising of Painting Tuesday. But yeah, it was we drew together in Drawpile. But we did it in Swedish.
Yeah, and we had a show, and people actually followed that show.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, we did it live once and had how many viewers live? Like for reels live, not live over the internet, but with an audience, and we had like over. Did we have like 100 people coming and seeing that?
It was a lot of people at least.
Yeah, I think around 80.
Yeah, something like that. But that was really fun. I hope we get to do it again this year.
Yeah, if we want to, we can.
We should.
We should, we would, we could.
Well, let's do it then.
So I'm just gonna make this flower, little flower guy go ooh, and then just poof.
Go for it. Go for it.
And now we have a little flower guy. I don't really understand what's the deal with the
Okay, Seinfeld.
what's the deal with airplane food? No, what's the deal with Construct? Is it like I downloaded it and it seems like it's super like drag and drop.
No, it's the same as Game Maker, right?
No, like the old version allowed you to write code in Python. The new versions, like Construct 2 and Construct 3, do not allow you to write any code. So, like, at first, everything is good, but then your game gets large, but you cannot write code. So, like, you want to do a level generator, but you cannot write code. You have to make hundreds of these drag and drop blocks and compose them into events, and there are like some really weird decisions, like when there are loops and those loops don't like work as actual loops, but they dispatch kind of events, so you end up with unusually weird thing.
Oh, yeah, it seemed kind of weird.
So, like in general, it's very good for prototyping because you can just toss a platformer behavior or toss a directional control behavior and just like jam away. But it's not good for large games. And people generally kind of realize it a little too late into the development.
Yeah, didn't Konjak did. I think he works in Construct with
the blonde
what is it called?
mechanic thing.
Yeah, what is it called? It's called. I don't remember. I'm gonna check on Twitter really fast. Iconoclast?
Ironclast, I think.
That is right in Construct.
Yeah, I think it's in Construct.
Oh, really?
I think that would hurt like a whole lot.
Iconoclast.
Hasn't he worked on that forever?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when I tried it, I got stuck in a wall.
Oh.
So it might be Construct. I think all of his games are made in Construct.
That's kind of interesting. I mean,
I'm pretty sure. Construct. Yeah, it's using Construct.
Oh, okay.
Wait. His new games. His new games.
Is there like a version that you can download, or did it have a Kickstarter or something?
I think he released alpha a while back that you could download. I don't know where though. But yeah, it's created in Construct.
Oh, it's like saved somewhere.
Yeah. But his games are really impressive though.
Yeah.
That's weird. One fun thing about him is that I've worked with his brother, not directly, but through another person on a. It was that Splay project. His brother is the one, the director for Annabelle 2.
Oh, okay, that one.
Yeah, so they're brothers.
Fun.
Yeah.
Who won?
I think the director won.
Yeah.
But maybe Cognac wins when he releases Iconoclasts.
That's true.
Wins life. He's more successful now. Is it money wise or just followers on Twitter? I don't know. I haven't won yet though.
One more try.
I want to win. I want to go to my parents and go, I'm the richest of your children, and I have the most followers. they're gonna bow down.
Oh.
They're just gonna
Bow down.
they're just gonna be quiet and start crying and clapping. That's my dream. I'm gonna ask someone that. Yeah, I have two sons. They're 22 and 18. And then I'm just gonna ask who won. The winner. I mean, it's like with birds.
Oh, it's not even construct 2. It's in the original construct.
Oh, is it?
Well, I guess like the good news are that it might not be made completely with drag and drop blocks because there is Python in original construct,
Yeah.
but like it's
It must still be pretty hard to make such a big
Yes.
project.
like I don't think the company that makes construct like does bug fixes for it much anymore, like for
Oh,
the
yeah, that's
original
true.
version.
Yeah, that's pretty sad.
Oh well, and I guess it will just not work on Mac and Linux unless it was ported to something else by now,
Yeah.
which would be a pretty reasonable idea.
Yeah, probably. But do you know what? Do you know the game Gunner?
Yeah,
Do you know what he made that in?
it's in Unity.
Okay. Because he released it on Switch, and I thought it was on Game Maker first, but
You can totally make that in GameMaker, or you can make that in Unity. Like, I mean, the game is not specifically technically advanced.
But what boggled me was that I thought it was made in Game Maker, and it got released on Switch. So I thought that Yo-Yo Games had something to do with the Switch port, but since it isn't Game Maker, that's understandable.
Yeah.
I mean, there are no Game Maker games right now on the Switch, right?
Well, not that I know of, unless they're like well masked. Well, I mean, you can't really tell if something is made in Game Maker or not.
Yeah, that's true.
Like, unless if it's on Windows, then you can kind of tell because of the like if you know how to reverse engineer stuff a bit, because you can tell Game Maker runner from say Unity runtime.
Oh yeah.
Or you can very rarely tell because of some engine-specific bugs.
Oh, yeah, that's true. and if someone is too lazy, they haven't removed the splash, the game splash. Then you know.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's
Well,
kind of
in
when you
Game
see
Maker.
it's kind of when you see a Unity game and they have like that settings window
well,
when you
in
start it.
Oh yeah. That setting window is actually like not very bad, but
Yeah, I kind of like it.
I don't know.
it's kind of weird how it sometimes doesn't have all of the resolution settings. I haven't really looked around like what that depends on, or if it's just per Unity version or something.
Mm.
Yeah. Actually, you haven't closed the loop.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to figure out why the right side isn't working as I want it to.
Maybe you made a left-handed dungeon.
Yeah. Be wary of the traffic. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, it's the right side. The right side is wrong.
I know why you want to learn dungeon generation, Axel. I know your dark secret.
Oh, what is it?
You're following a bunch of dungeon generation on Twitter. You like that on a level that isn't healthy. You like that too much. You like generation stuff.
I do
Even if
like
it's bad generation, sometimes you linked like a bad generated thing, and you're like, "Oh, this is so cool."
It's cool. Everything generate procedural.
Everything is popping out. And
It's so cool.
Automatically.
I want to do it too. But now I broke something.
Yeah. I mean, working in Game Maker is kind of nostalgic for me as well. It's like playing Age of Empires 2. Fun, but it's also kind of tingly.
Weird word to use.
It's like when you look at dungeon generation.
Oh yeah, now I get it. Tingly.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be plus, right? Plus.
Sprite index equals blah 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 blah.
Hey, don't make fun of coding.
Game Maker.
Blah blah
Coding
blah.
is-
Oh. What's up, Sally? Very
Sally,
welcome.
my sister, my own sister, is watching our stream. That means
Opinions on that, Vadim?
Huh?
Yeah.
Axel.
I want to keep him on his toes.
I
gotta keep
think-
him on
I think Axel's wet dream is being a debate.
Yeah, in a room with sleepy people.
Yeah, leading a debate with people that don't want to debate.
Yeah.
What's your take on that?
That would be the dream. It spawns, but it doesn't. It's not visible. Why?
Charge. And then we
Oh,
want.
that's a lot of spy.
Was that a spy?
You just, I have just seen a dungeon on stream that was basically just filled entirely.
Yeah, sometimes it gets like this. Need to. I would like to figure out a way to fix that.
Well, I mean, you can just say that it's like a busy place.
Yeah,
There was a lot of dying involved.
it's true.
Yeah. It's catacombs, Axel. People don't care how they.
Yeah, but we
decide.
want to use this later too, right? So it's good if we get a good base now.
Now I'm talking about real life. When they make catacombs, they don't care.
Yeah,
just
they do.
They throw
It's
the
super
skeletons down.
religious. They do. It's not just a hole.
I don't think they care that much.
The worst
It's not like-
catacombs.
It's gonna be used like for like spelunking. It's not used by religious people, I think.
I'm gonna put a church down here just in spite of you.
Have you seen the catacombs beneath London?
No?
Well, those are like for I think for hiding when it's like intended for hiding from airstrikes and stuff.
Yeah, but they had like during the plague, they had mass graves, and they made catacombs beneath London, and they have like thousands of skeletons just lining the walls. It's pretty spooky.
Admittedly.
I'm a bit spooked.
Sprite index equals blah 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 blah. I want to make a Tamagotchi game that
It's filled with skeletons.
Yeah.
with zombies, with zombie invasion. you have to give the Tamagotchi an AK-47 and feed it. That would be pretty interesting. Well, would it be fun to make a Tamagotchi game and have a twist where it is like kind of like a weird twist like in Stanley Parable, but the Tamagotchi starts speaking with you after a while when you've taken care of it, and it's and it's of age.
No.
No. No, never. Is this our board meeting?
No.
Not gonna happen. Next.
God damn it! Why isn't it doing the thing?
Oh.
Tommy.
Then we're gonna have if
This one is pretty good.
is it though? Is it really?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I'm gonna create a grass particle over here. I think I'm onto something. I just need to figure out the range, then I'm done with this.
You'll never
done
be
with it.
completely done.
Yeah, that's true. That's a really good tip for people. You'll never be completely done with the game. Just release it on early access and try to make as much money as you can, and then run.
Just run so fast.
Yeah.
Show them how fast you run, Walter.
I don't think you need to run though.
Let's see, Walter.
I did run. It was too fast. No one saw.
And we're back again.
But I don't think you need to run. Even you just release it in early access and you start selling, and then you release some updates, and people go, "Oh, this dude is updating every week," and then
You
Yes.
changed some variables.
you change it to every month. And the fun thing, you've made all this content already. It's just that you want to like keep appearances. We want people to think you're updating the game, and you do that for half a year, and then you start like making the updates less frequently, and then you just stop, and then you disappear with the money.
But where do you go?
You don't go anywhere because you were nowhere from the beginning because you're a game developer.
Oh, so it's
Yes.
more like a state of mind. I get it.
Yeah. Stop writing things on Twitter. That's how you disappear as a game developer.
A la Phil Fish.
Yeah. He's gone now. I mean, I don't get the internet. He said that Japanese games suck, and that's like a thing people can say. Like they can say that, and it in a normal conversation, and it's not weird. Then you just go, okay, why do you think they suck? But because it's internet, they only go with, oh, he said that they suck, and they go with that, and then they prosecute. They go, you did that, okay, you're guilty.
Yeah, the classic
You understand what
internet
I mean?
lynch.
Yeah, and Penny and I played Soul Calibur today, and they have. I mean, Japanese games
Yeah,
have
that
some so they have some weird design choices.
Yeah. Yeah, especially in that game, I think. I mean, I'm playing Persona now. I got my PlayStation yesterday.
Yeah.
It's a lot of
You
fun.
sound like a 12-year-old. I got my PlayStation yesterday.
Hello, I got my PlayStation yesterday.
It's like graduating. Got my PlayStation.
But yeah, Persona is super Japanese, but it's
It's super Japanese.
yeah, like have you
It's
seen
like,
have you seen those games? It's like straight up anime,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
it's fun. I indulge.
I've heard that they're like super long, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Like several hours, like
30 minutes. Persona, no. I just downloaded the Japanese voice pack too because I didn't like the English one.
Oh, that's. Can you do that for PlayStation?
Yeah, it's like a DLC kinda.
Oh, did it cost?
No, but it's all downloadable content, but for free. Here we go.
So-
now it's doing the thing.
Have you added a spawn animation for the crypt?
No. Did it look like it?
Yeah, and I almost hit you in the head.
A spawn animation. That's
That would be so much. Like that would be overdoing it.
yeah, it's only for the developer.
Yeah. Look at it. Spawning like.
I'm not sure how it would look. It would be like a bounce, I guess.
Yeah.
I can
it's
fix
like
that.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, I found the issue. I had a minus instead of a plus. Yeah, I've seen the Danganronpa games, Nicole, but I'm not super into the style of them. I do want to check out like the Ace Attorney games though. I'm hoping a good one comes out on the Switch. Would be tight. Yeah, I know. Murder mysteries. I mean, it looks fun. Those games are on Steam too, right? All right, let's add At the rooms. Yeah, I've seen some Ace Attorney. It looks fun. Stupid fun. I mean, I think I would probably give up a lot of times because of like bad puzzles, but the characters look fun, so I probably pull through. One day.
Yeah.
Too many games.
Hey, Penny wants me to end the stream. And she's throwing candy at me.
Oh. 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 Why don't...
Vadim, your microphone is turned off, but I think you know that, right? I just gotta...
This is like the worst version of my debate thing.
My what?
My debate thing.
I just wanted, I wanted to enlighten him if he accidentally turned it off, because it's happened so many times. You just turn off the... Stop throwing candy at me!
I think it just happens to you. Yeah, weirdo.
I'm actually thinking of times when it happened to you. Stop throwing candy.
Get a room.
You can join the stream.
I mean, I was planning to wrap up soon, anyways. Just hold on. I just want to add a room in each corner.
Axel just want to add a room in each corner, and then it's done. How long would that take, Axel?
Well, I'm gonna trial and error my way for maybe 40 minutes, and then see a variable I missed and fix it the last 5 minutes. So 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Ammo? Ja.
Oh yeah, look at that. Now it puts...
Axel, nej!
I was just kidding.
Axel, nej!
God damn!
How long?
I don't know, 15 minutes, 10 minutes.
10 minutes. 15 minutes.
60 minuter!
15!
Okay!
Okay då.
It's okay.
I already fixed one side. God damn.
Why do?
And now you're munching again. This is the worst stream. Holy shit. But hey,
you're in luck.
am I?
Penny's there.
Guess I am.
Yo, bro.
Wow, you're so much cooler than I remember.
You're showing this.
Yeah! Ja!
Yes.
Okej, det var allt jag ville säga. Hejdå.
Okay, då. That's Swedish. Okay, I think I fixed a room in every corner now, and we can wrap up. If it works, it works.
If it works,
Look at this. Look at this level, Jen Walter. Tasty as fuck.
Why do you have two spine corridors? Sometimes. Oh, it is
Because it wraps back into itself. But I'm gonna add some. Yeah.
some padding to that later, right?
Hello!
How?
The stream is bad and I want you to stop streaming. Ah!
Yeah, I can do that some other time.
Did you see the hamster?
No, I didn't see the hamster. Oh, okay. I thought she was just doing a voice.
No.
The hamster god.
Change to my screen and you can show the hamster.
Okay, let's end this with some hamsters then.
It's the hamster god.
Oops.
Oh, and then you turned it off. What a tease.
Okay, Google. Turn the lights warm white.
Sure, changing 4 lights to warm white.
Oh, what a good color.
Look at this.
Hello!
Ooh. Wait, I'm gonna hide.
What the fuck you doing?
Put it in the webcam slot.
He hates y'all.
It's a tiny little hamster. Tiny little hamster. They have nothing to do with cancer.
Oh no, what a bad rap.
I just wanted it to be jolly.
you didn't manage. Okay, let's wrap up. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Look at Panis Rasta's shirt. It's
Very-
Rasta.
Very good.
Dude!
It's reggae.
Now I understand
Yo,
the
dude.
voice.
Let's wrap it up.
Yep. Thanks everybody. See you next time. Don't forget. Don't forget.